All right, we'll work through a few examples on determining if triangles exist. First, we want to do is kind of do a little review. We saw if we were given an acute angle, the opposite side must be greater than the height. And to find the height, second side times sine of the acute angle. If theta, or the angle, is obtuse, then simply the opposite side has to be greater than the second side. So first situation. Says the measure of angle A is 73 degrees, A is 40 centimeters, and B is 45 centimeters. First thing we notice, the angle is acute. And so little a is the opposite side, and B is the second side. So all we need to find is the height. In this case, the height is 45 times sine 73. The second side times the sine 73. So in the calculator, simply just type this in. What was that? 45 sine 73. That means our height is a little bit more than 43 because the height is about 43 and 40 is less than 43. So the opposite side is less than the height. So therefore, this is not a triangle. All right. Second example. It says the measure of angle B is 105 degrees. Lowercase b is 22 yards and C is 45 yards. So we've been given an obtuse angle. And the opposite side is our 22, and they gave us the second side. So because the 22, which is the opposite side, is less than the height, that means this is not, less than the second side. This is not a triangle. Third example, it's real straightforward. Working with angle C is 137 degrees, lowercase b 55 feet, and lowercase c 58 feet. First thing we notice, we've been given an obtuse angle. The opposite side happens to be 58, and they gave us the second side of 55. Well, because that opposite side is bigger than the 55, the second side, then it is a triangle. Fourth situation, fourth problem. Measure of angle B, 24 degrees. A is 8 millimeters and B is 11 millimeters. They gave us an acute angle. They also gave us the opposite side of 11, and the second side is 8. So, to find the height, the second side times the sine of the acute angle. So let's simply put this into the calculator. 8 sine, what's that, 24. We get us a height of a little bit more than 3. So the height, about 3. Well, the opposite side was 11. Because it's bigger than 3, then it is a triangle. So now, here's some practice problems for you to work on.